Today we're looking at these new rollerblade style wheels for my office chair. Not because my old ones were really that bad. I just wanted something that was gonna raise my seat up a little bit. And if it happens to ride smoother, that's sort of a bonus to me. They actually come with 5 wheels. I also chose these because they're blue wheels. I don't know, just for something a little different. You can see my older wheels are about 2.5 inches tall. These new ones, 3.5 inches. So you're gaining about 1 inch of height, which is good. That's sort of what I'm looking for because right now I feel like my office chair is a little bit too low. So this should definitely help with that. The other thing I noticed, these new rollerblade wheels definitely feels more heavy duty, where my original Lazy Boy wheels, they're lighter, made mostly of plastic, just doesn't feel as good a quality. As you can see, they rotate as well, just like the old wheels. So my old wheels were pretty easy to take off, probably easier if you turn your chair upside down, but this way works too. Just pop off the old wheels and you can see the height is gonna be a little bit higher, which is nice for my setup. If you plan on using these for carpet, I don't really notice a huge difference. The big difference though is if you're on hard floors. And as you can see, very similar movement to the older wheels, just a little bit smoother and hardly any noise with these new rollerblade style wheels by Stealtho. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.